me through the alley, down by the Cardona and the Centrale, to the mews running through the back streets, where the blacks sell flour and sleep. The devil moon took me out of Soho, up to Camden where the cold north winds blow, sucked along by a winter's shower, stand beside your shining tower. This could be a final dance. This could be our very last chance. Sound of your voice wherever I may be changes everything, and then the world's alright with you.
My London girl,
The way that you walk,
my London girl,
the way that you talk,
my London girl.
just the sound of your voice, I ain't got no chance. The lights were going out, the moon was dying, the night was turning till a fine spring morning. The dogs were barking and the kids were shouting, the sun was splashing in a crystal fountain. When the cold winds come and find you blowing down from the top of the high rise, I'll come and take you back down to Soho, away from all those madmen's eyes. This could be our final dance. This could be our very last chance.